Hello to each and every one of you. I hope that you had a wonderful day. This is Valencia Poole, CEO of VP Credit Consulting. I am a certified credit consultant and a realtor with Word in Company Realty. Thank you so much for joining me on today. I want to share with you a recent lawsuit by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau in the Federal District Court of Maryland against a collection agency that violated numerous of consumer laws. On a previous video, I shared with you some of the most commonly used Fair Credit Reporting Act laws that are oftentimes violated by collection agencies, data furnishers, consumer reporting agencies, including credit bureaus. So here is an example of commonly violated um, consumer laws. So I want to share with you firsthand so you can see it for yourself. So as you see, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau filed suit against Fair Collections and Outsourcing and Michael E. Sabota on September 25th, 2019. So this was a very recent case. So as you see here at the top of the page, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau filed a lawsuit in the Federal District Court in the District of Maryland against FCO Holding Incorporation and its subsidiaries, including the Fair Collections and Outsourcing Incorporation and others. So this is a Maryland-based debt collection companies that operates collectively under the Fair Collections and Outsourcing NFCO. So the Bureau's complaint alleges that FCO violated the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Regulation V, and the Consumer Financial Protection Act by failing to conduct a reasonable investigation or any investigation and review all relevant information in its handling of indirect disputes and furnishing information about accounts before or without conducting an investigation into the accuracy of the information it was furnishing after receiving identity theft reports from consumers disputing such accounts. Don't take my word, but go to the source, consumerfinance.gov, which is the official website of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So, as I stated on a recent video, I share with you commonly used Fair Credit Reporting Act laws that are often violated by collection companies, data furnishers, consumer reporting agencies, including the credit bureaus. And so you see here firsthand some of the most commonly violations by collection agencies. So I am quite sure many of you who are watching this video have firsthand experience submitting a dispute to the credit bureau, and you know the dispute, you know it is inaccurate or incomplete information, and you expect an investigation. And after the investigation, you expect them to update it, to correct it, or to delete it. But totally contrary, it results in verified as accurate. And you sit here and wonder how in the world did they investigate and say this is verified as accurate when this is totally inaccurate? So you see for yourself, oftentimes they do not investigate at all. They don't investigate. And if they do, oftentimes it is not a reasonable investigation that is required by law. So that is how they violate, because they're not correcting, they're not updating or deleting inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable information. It is your right as a consumer to have a reasonable investigation when you have information that is incorrect, incomplete, and unverifiable. They must correct it, update it, or delete it. If you are a victim and you have not received the results that you should have received, and after you've gone through all the process, all the appropriate steps, and you still have not received the results that you deserve, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They hear you. They hear you, and they do take action against collection agencies, against data furnishers, consumer reporting agencies, including credit bureaus. But you must make sure you follow the proper steps and the proper channels before you submit or submit or file a claim with a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. I wanted to share with you this recent lawsuit to let you know that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is on your side. The laws are in place. Consumer laws are in place to protect you, but you must be educated um, on the laws so that you know when laws are being violated and when to take action. My next video, I will be showing you examples of violations by collection agencies, by data furnishers. How I'm going to show you examples how they violate on credit reports, because it happens every day, all day long, and I want you to see some of the things that they do that are in violation, because you may look at your own report and find out that there are violations, and there's something that you can do. Thank you once again for joining me. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, VP Credit Consulting. Also, I invite you to like and follow my social media pages on Instagram as well as Facebook. VP Credit Consulting. Share with your families and friends and tune in for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.